Hey guys, so Dan from Trading with Dan here. Just a very quick video I wanted to do. So the Fed has decided that it wants to cut rates by 50 basis points, which is now just done. Normally they cut rates in 25 basis point like goes. So this is obviously two rolled into one, and normally they do it at a Fed meeting, which they have scheduled every month, and this is done outside of the meeting. So I just want to show, here is a chart of the S&P here, which is the 19th of February. So we're talking basically less than 2 weeks ago. So less than 2 weeks ago we're at all-time highs. We sell off, we were trading off 10% off our all-time highs, and way higher than all these levels here, which are only from the middle of last year, right? So they've decided, whilst they have the best economy according to Trump and everything's all going great for them, they've also, in the course of this time, cut rates 3 times already, whilst having the world's greatest economy and the world economy being great and everything, right? And they've now cut another basically 2 times in one go, in an emergency, in a rush before the meeting, to help battle a health concern in the market, basically. So do you guys think that that's gonna basically help? I mean, do you think that's gonna turn these markets around, everything's gonna go back to normal, and everything's all fine? Or do you think these guys are basically panicking because they pretty much know they can't have another week like they had without the whole system basically imploding? So yeah, so it's just something for you guys to think about, because this is a sign of sheer desperation and panic. This is in the face of the markets not even being lower than pretty much their average price for, well, not even lower than their highest price that they were at last year. So do you think this is the buy the rumor, sell the fact opportunity? Do you think this big massive bounce we had was anticipating stroke forcing the Fed to do this, and now it's done this, now what? And then what, are we just going to have a completely fake market, completely detracted from the reality of the underlying economy where there are problems? I mean, is that what we're gonna, is that all their aim is, just to keep these stock market asset prices inflated by debasing the currency, by reducing rates and printing billions and basically pumping that in the market every single day? Do you guys think that is sustainable? what do you think? But anyway, so yeah, thanks for listening. I don't know if that would be any use to anybody, but it's just my thoughts, something that I thought I should just say. So yeah, remember, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm sure your financial advisors will be telling you different things, like buy the dip. So we'll see. And then even if it is a buy the dip opportunity, the only way it will be that will be with just unprecedented Fed pumping of just hold up asset prices, which is ridiculous. So anyway, yeah, thanks for listening, guys. I'll speak to you later.